The velocity with which a projectile must be fired so that it escape earth gravitation does not depends on. So we know that the value of escape velocity is under root of 2gm divided by r. And first option it is given that mass of earth, it definitely depends upon the mass of earth, and mass of projectile, it's not depends upon mass of projectile, that is correct. And radius of projectile orbit, so it's definitely depends upon the radius or from where it is projected. So if it is projected not from the surface, then we'll use this equation root of 2gm divided by r. So it depends upon the radius of projectile orbit, and so it is depends upon that factor. And second one is last one, it is given that gravitational constant, so it depends upon gravitational constant as well. So we can say that it is basically not depends upon mass of projectile.